welcome back to the channel. So today I'm actually going to be filming. I don't know what's going on with my voice. It's just like, it sounds so raspy and deep. I think I'm just thirsty. Let me get some water. I think it's dehydration. Today I'm going to be filming a little bit of a clean with me because I feel like my house is falling apart. I've got laundry to do and I'm inside my kids' room sorting out all the things sorting out old clothes. I did a little haul from H&M. I bought some things at a consignment shop for the kids for spring. However, I don't like putting the new stuff on top of like old stuff that no longer fit or is just out of season or is just washed out. So I'm going to be doing a bit of a switcheroo, which I've already kind of started doing before picking up the camera. Anyways, I'm going to do a little bit of a cleaner-oo in this room, trying to get things together. And then after, I'm going to be showing you some of the things that we got the kids for spring, and it probably in a separate haul when the room is clean and put together. So hope you guys enjoy today's little cleaning video. I don't have much of them on this channel, but I want to start showcasing some of that because honestly, cleaning, it can be fun, but not in the kind of fun when you just really have to tackle it because you don't want your whole house falling apart. It's not like maintaining cleaning where you're actually just like dusting and cleaning, those kind of things. It's tedious work when it's stuff that actually has to get done that you may not always have the time for. So I'm gonna do that real quick and take you guys along with me. So one of the things I actually want to get done, I'm going to actually ask my hubby to do this, is to put up these hooks today. They look like that. I purchased them like right before Christmas, and I bought them to kind of go behind the door because baby boy, I don't know, I was thinking of like hats and various things like that that I wanted to hang up for him come, you know, spring, summer, and fall. He's going to be wearing more hats that are not like knitted hats that you can lay down, but more caps. So I figured something like this would be useful. I did buy it off Amazon. I think it was like 20 bucks. So, and it's been sitting around for the longest time. So I'm going to ask him to put this up for me today.
All